book are we reading?
Don't push the button.
Okay, can you read it to me?
Hi, my name is Mary. Welcome to my book. But there's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Maybe that's look pretty nice, girl. Maybe you should give it one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow and
Again.
push it again.
Boop.
Ah! Now I'm yellow and polka dots. Push it twice.
Boop, boop.
Ah! Now just do it. Push a bunch of times.
Boop, 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 boop.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get all X-rays. Now I'm taking a video of me reading this book. Almost, a little more. 6, 6, 6, 6. It says here is correct. Wait, it's time to get it back to normal. That tickled. Wait, not push the button again. But it was kind of funny though. Maybe there's a couple more pushes. The end.